Welcome, welcome. It's Nikayla Mariah, your inner child oracle, trauma healer, and spiritual coach. Excited to bring to you today another beautiful meditation. Today we are journeying through the third or solar plexus chakra. So get yourself situated. I always recommend putting a pair of headphones on, taking some deep breaths as you get centered, making sure that for the next 15 minutes or so, the time and space is yours. Settling in, taking a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Deeper and deeper into the subconscious mind. Every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into your soul. Any thoughts or feelings that might arise, simply allow them to float away. Every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper. As you begin to envision in your mind's eye, walking down a beautiful flowery meadow, bright yellow flowers everywhere, the sun warming your bare skin, the cool soil under your feet. As you breathe in this vibrant energy, noticing the bumblebees flying to and fro, the butterflies wisping along the trail. A beautiful mist of energy begins to swirl around you. As you breathe into this vibrant crimson energy, you feel grounded, connected to our sacred Earth Mother, in tune, nurtured. Continuing to walk down this path, the red fades into a vibrant orange. This beautiful orange energy swirling around. Filling you with nurturance, compassion, as you're able to sink into a deep surrender. Your divine feminine awakens. Moving further still, the vibrant yellow floods your system as the orange fades away. This yellow energy fills you with confidence, willpower, a drive for life as your divine masculine awakens and activates. Continuing your journey on the beautiful meadow path, a deep green energy falls upon you, opening your heart to love, to both give and receive simultaneously through these beautiful heart chakra chambers. Breathing in the vibrant green energy, you feel awakened and alive. As the green fades away, a bright blue covers your energy field. Breathing in this vibrant blue energy, your throat begins to expand as you find the freedom of expression, standing in your own authentic truth, in full understanding and acceptance of your core essence as you breathe in this blue energy. Deepening now into a complex indigo. Energy rains down upon you like the color of the galaxies, cloaking your body. As all of your senses open and activate, you are able to hear, know, sense, smell, feel. All clear channels open, your intuition blossoming as you breathe in this beautiful indigo energy. And with the final transition of the colors, a beautiful violet energy wraps around you, awakening your divinity, fully supported by Source, God, Universe. Understanding the divinity within you now, all channels opened and aligned, connected from head to toe as the colors fade and you find yourself back on the beautiful forest path. Noticing again the crisp yellow flowers all around, the bees and the butterflies. Complete rapture takes over as you sense everything around you. As you continue to walk, you notice a beautiful opening just ahead. In the center of this opening, a small cottage. You're drawn to enter this cottage. And as you do, you find a table for two. You take your seat in one chair as a beautiful goddess sits before you. Golden yellow energy, iridescent golden skin, everything shimmers with vibrant yellow and gold energy. This goddess stands before you today to help you activate and open your own solar plexus chakra. As you sit before her, she pours you a cup of tea. As you begin to sip the tea, a beautiful feeling falls over you. You feel the warmth of this tea pour down your body like a thick molasses coating every crevice of your being. And as it makes its way down to your diaphragm just above your belly button, a beautiful ball of energy begins to swirl and form. You feel this yellow chakra opening and activating before you. Vibrant, colorful yellow, radiating from your core. You feel powerful, ready, confident, a thirst for life. You have autonomy and freedom here. As you breathe into this feeling and integrate this powerful energy, the solar plexus goddess shares a powerful message for you about how you can continue to cultivate and find a consistent flame at your core. Listen to her powerful message now. The time is yours. As this powerful message from the solar plexus goddess comes to an end, thank her for the wisdom and words she shared with you today. As you put your hands over your solar plexus, feeling into your power, your strength, your individuality. As the goddess disappears and you make your descent out of the cottage, breathing in deeply as you feel a sense of yourself you haven't felt before. Complete freedom and choice is with you now. You are a powerful creator, ready to walk into the world and manifest all your desires from a place of autonomy and sovereignty. Every step you take in this beautiful yellow meadow brings you back into your human form. With every step you take, your heart beginning to normalize, your breath beginning to deepen. With a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, wiggling your fingers and toes as your body comes back alive. Say out loud, integrate, integrate, integrate. As you open your eyes, your healing is complete. Thank you, and as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.